What did you say, Hulyan?
I say in the back, they have different kind of designs.
You said something about something different?
Yeah, that's because I see something different about them. Because they have different kind of graphics on them.
Okay.
The one in the picture, there's two. One that I got and one that I did not get.
What's inside the box?
And a Triceratops.
A Triceratops, right?
Yeah. But
On the picture, what? What do you see?
I see that they are different graphics. Because this one has red, but this one don't have the red in face. They are different.
Right.
They have different colors.
Yes, uh-huh.
Except for the whites. The whites are the same color, but the blue ones are different.
Right.
And I see something here that there's like a song.
A song?
Yeah. I see.
Let me read the box. It swings and lights and music. There are lights and music.
I knew it.
Yeah. Triceratops. Let the children know the dinosaur world. Together to build their own dinosaur kingdom. That's what it says on the box. Realistic dinosaur sounds. By Dinosaur Century. The toy is made by Dinosaur Century, Hulyan.
No, but it's made from China, right?
Yes.
Chinatown, right?
In China.
Yeah.
The country China, Hulyan, not Chinatown.
Yeah, but Daddy,
Everything now is made in China, Hulyan. Even BMW now is made in China. I'm talking about the car. It's a German car, but many parts, many components are getting made or being made in China. You know? Everything is made in China, Hulyan. Because the labor there is cheap. They bring the jobs in China for cheap labor.
like cheap toys.
Yeah, cheap toys from China. Alright, where's mommy? Let's unbox this, Hulyan.
Okay.
Oh, Hulyan. We need 3 AA batteries for this toy.
Yeah, because
for this dinosaur.
Because the card has 3 sizes.
Yes. You mean 3 batteries?
Yeah, no, because they have 3 sizes. It's like this: 1, 2, 3. That's why you need 3 batteries for it.
Right. Yeah. Alright, mommy. Unboxing time.
Yeah, I know how to unbox.
Alright.
Okay, let me do this. Okay, here's the box.
Ooh.
That was so fast.
Yeah.
Well, it's cheap, I think.
Bam!
It's like plastic, but cheap.
Huh?
Look, it's like cheap.
Cheap plastic. Because it's made in China. That's why.
Okay.
It's alright,
I know how
Hulyan.
to do this. See?
Whoa. A Triceratops.
But it has more horns than Triceratops. Triceratops has like 3 horns in the face.
Well, this one has a lot of horns.
You only count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, I think I did one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
Yeah.
That's a lot of horns,
And
Hulyan.
there's more. Are these spikes or horns? Spikes, I think.
Little spikes.
Okay.
That's gonna be lots of horns. This dinosaur will lots of horns.
You know what, Rhea? I touched it and Hulyan was right. The quality of the plastic is cheap.
Yeah.
But it's okay. No big deal. It's just a toy. Whoa!
Whoa. That was nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. Need to screw.
That's cool, Hulyan.
Yeah.
The lights are like, rainbow colors. Yeah, Rhea.
Okay.
Rainbow lights. Put it down, Hulyan.
Okay.
Put it down.
Like a Christmas tree.
Merry Christmas! It's cute. It walks by itself. And look at the tail.
It's like a multi-throw without a multi-throw.
The tail swings. And also the head. The head moves. That's cool.
I'm gonna scare Maya.
Scared your sister.
Wait, Hulyan, I want to see the face.
Okay. And the rainbow.
Go, put him down. Put him down. Put him down now. Turn it on.
Okay. By walking?
Yeah. That's cute. Not bad.
I don't really use it, just wash.
Okay, you can scare Maya now. You can scare her. Fisher Price's Little People. Meet the little people friends. Sing along songs and fun stories. Fun stories, Maya. Wow, Maya, the two boys are playing in the sand.
And the pig is swinging.
Yeah, seesaw. And look at this girl.
Swing.
Yeah. That's
Can
nice.
swing. It's not heavy for hover.
Yeah, I know. Whee! And there's the DVD, kids. Fisher Price's Little People. All right.